Welcome to 5.Thunberg Assembly. We hope you enjoy it. This term we have been reading Tom's Midnight Garden. The book tells the story of 12-year-old Tom who, while staying with his aunt and uncle, discovers a magical and mysterious garden where he befriends a young girl named Tatty.
In life we have to learn how to cultivate practices, festivals, and practices. And one example we have to learn about time. Here's an example of how to do it. 2 fifths of the class loves to eat fish. I'll convert this fraction to a decimal and then to a percentage. First we will do 2 fifths, and then we will divide by 2. So we'll put it into a basket, and then we'll put 5 inside. We'll put 2 here and 5 on the outside. So we'll put 0 and a decimal point, and we'll put a 0 next to the 2. Then we'll do 5 times 4 equals 20, because 5 times 4 is 20. And then 0.4 is a decimal. And then we'll put it into percentage, so you do 100 times 0.4, and then we'll do 4, and then we'll put a decimal point next to the 0.
In ICT, we have been learning about loops. Loops help us to shorten our code and it makes our work easy. Loops allow you to repeat certain pieces of code several times. We have been using the website code.org to learn how to code in our everyday life. Hola.
Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Fayas y tú.
Me llamo Isa. Hola, me llamo Isa. ¿Tienes hambre?
Sí, tengo mucha hambre. ¿Es tu comida favorita?
Hamburguesa con patatas fritas y helado.
Me encantan los churros con chocolate.
Over the time, we've been learning about the changes you experience as you grow.
This is called adolescence. As you grow older, you will experience some changes such as
Developing hairs in different places.
you get taller and stronger,
You will start to develop breasts,
your body shape will start to change.
and girls' hips will start to widen.
These are most of the changes, but not all of the changes.
During the term, we have been learning about healthy food and how we should be eating. Buying healthy, nutritious food doesn't mean you'll be eating delicious dishes. When you eat healthy food, you help improve your overall health, whether that's building muscle, sharpening your mind, or strengthening your heart. Eat fruits and veg to get healthy, nutritious values and eat a balanced diet. But you don't have to keep eating healthy forever. You can still eat a little bit of sweets, just not too much. Mustard greens and steamed, they provide a whopping 922% of your RDI from vitamin K. Fruits and veg are very good, and you can get them in your local store. And remember, don't eat it all the time.
In literacy, we have been learning about poetry and popular Japanese haiku poems. Most recently, we have been learning about adventure stories, their characteristics and main features. We have been writing something independently. Here's an example. Tom and Juice of plants, beautiful smelling flowers, lovely tweeting birds. In PE, we have been doing gymnastics.
United gymnastics is not helpful, but
Gymnastics help in balancing flexibility and a lot more in your daily life. We would like to show you our favourite skills. For example, we will do cartwheels, high kicks, splits, and balancing on a beam.
Hi everyone, in our read we have been learning about Hinduism. Firstly, we will start off with the gods. There are over 33 million, but we will talk about the 5 main gods. Vishnu, Shiva, Shakti, Devi, Ganesh and Surya, and also Brahman. Firstly, Brahman was the creator, Vishnu was a hero presenter, he came 9 times. Ganesh was the god of learning, Shiva was the destroyer, and is in charge of death. Shakti is the power of nature. Now we are introducing what every Hindu has. A bowl, a kumkum powder, a candle, with the shrine, and water and salt, food and picture of god or goddess. We hope you liked what we did in RE. Bye! Our topic this term is about Victorian times.
The Victorian times are named after the Queen Victoria, who reigned from 1837 to 1901.
We have been learning what the Victorians were doing and how they lived.
For example, in the Victorian schools, the children were not allowed to write with their left hand. They paid 1p per day for the tuition.
The Victorian era was so important to the Victorians.
We learned about the Victorian toys. They were only given on Christmas or birthdays.
Trains, toy cars, rocking horses,
Army soldiers and more.
We hope you learned something new today.
In music, we have been learning about 4 beats and down beats.
Hey, you, get with the flow.
Hey, you, get with the flow.
Touch the sky and reach down low.
Touch the sky and reach down low.
Clap your hands to the beat.
Clap your hands to the beat.
Click, clap, and off we go.
Click, clap, and off we go.
Hey, you, get with the flow.
Hey, you, get with the flow.
Touch the sky and reach down low.
Touch the sky and reach down low.
Clap your hands to the beat.
Clap your hands to the beat.
Click, clap, and off we go.
Click, clap, and off we go.